If you want to create inspirational videos that actually goes viral, but you don't want to show your face or spend hours editing, I am about to show you the exact process I use to make these videos using free AI tools. These videos are getting millions of views on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And you can start creating them today without any video editing experience. Let me show you step by step how to do this. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity and I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have, so you can create more freedom in your life. All right, let me break down the exact process. Before we get into the tools, let me explain what makes these videos work. Viral inspirational videos follow a simple formula. The first one is a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, something that grabs attention immediately. Number 2 is powerful visuals. That is cinematic scenes, nature, people overcoming challenges, visuals that match the emotion of the message. Number 3 is emotional voiceover. A voice that sounds confident, calm, and motivating, not robotic. Number 4 is short and impactful. 30 through 60 seconds. Long enough to deliver the message, short enough to keep attention. Number 5 is text overlays. These are key phrases or quotes displayed on screen so people can read while they watch. That's it. If you nail these 5 elements, your video has a high chance of going viral. Now let me show you the tools I use to create these. The first tool is ChatGPT, and that will be used for scripts. I use ChatGPT to write the voiceover scripts. Free version works perfectly. The second tool is InVideo AI, or you can use Mind Video AI. These tools generate an entire video from just a text prompt. Both of them have free plans that let you create videos. The third tool is 11 Lab, or you can use CapCut. 11 Lab has realistic AI voices. The free plan gives you enough credit to make a couple of videos. CapCut also has built-in AI voiceover for free. The fourth tool is CapCut, which is used for the final editing. CapCut is completely free and it works on desktop and mobile. Use it to add text overlays, trim clips, and adjust timing. That's all you need, 4 tools, and that's it. A quick note before we move on. Everything I am showing you can be started for free, and that's exactly how I recommend you to begin. Now, if you're serious about creating AI videos consistently, you may eventually want to upgrade. Only the tools that you use the most, not all of them. I will have all the links to every tool I mentioned down below, so you can start for free and upgrade when you are ready. If you are finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I post videos like this every week, and your support helps me reach more people who needs this. All right, let's keep going with the step-by-step process. The first step is writing your script. Go to ChatGPT and use this exact prompt. Write a 30-second motivational script about and put your topic. Use a powerful hook in the first sentence. Keep the tone confident and inspiring. Make it feel personal and emotional, and with a strong call to action or affirmation. Example of your topic can be: write a 30-second motivational script about never giving up on your dreams. Another one is write a 30-second motivational script about overcoming self-doubt. Another one is write a 30-second motivational script about building wealth from zero. ChatGPT will generate a complete script. Read it out loud. If it sounds good, use it. If not, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it with a different tone or angle. Once you have a script that you like, copy it and move to the next step. Now we are going to create the actual video. Go to InVideo AI. You will sign up for a free account. Click on Create AI Video. You will see a prompt box. Paste your script and describe the visuals. For example, you could type something like this. Create a 30-second inspirational video with cinematic visuals of nature, mountain, sunrises, and people achieving goals. The mood should be uplifting and motivational. Use this script, and then you will paste your script. Now you will choose your video settings, the length, the platform, and the aspect ratio, which is vertical if you are creating shorts. Now you will click on generate. InVideo AI will create the entire video with visuals, transitions, and timing. This should take 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your video length. The next step will be preview and adjust. Watch the video. If you do not like certain scenes, you can use the edit feature to change visuals or timing. Now, once you are happy, you will download the video to your computer. Now let's add a professional sounding voiceover. Go to 11 Labs and sign up for a free account. I said earlier, all of these links will be in the description below. So go to 11 Labs, sign up for a free account. Once you are inside, you will click on text to speech. You will then see a text box. The next step is paste your script. You will copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it there. The next step is choose a voice. 11 Labs has tons of realistic voices. So go through them, listen to all of the voices, and pick the one that sounds confident and motivating. Make sure you preview a few before choosing. Now the next step is click generate, and 11 Labs will create an audio files in seconds. The next step is download the audio. You are going to download the audio to your computer. Now we are going to put everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut, download it for free if you don't have it. This will be your final editing process. Now it's time to import your video and your audio. Make sure the voiceover starts at the beginning and matches the video timing. Trim if needed. Now once you have everything good to go, you previewed it and it looks good and looks perfect, you are ready to export. Choose 1080p quality, that would do for short form videos, and download the final video, and you're done. You just created a viral ready inspirational video. Now that your video is ready, here's where to post it. You're going to post it on Instagram Reels. The next one you can upload it on is TikTok. You can upload it with trending sounds or keep your original audio if you already have music in the background and already have a voiceover. The next platform is YouTube Shorts. Yes, YouTube. Upload as a short, add a strong title. Post the same video across all platforms to maximize your reach. Post 1 through 2 videos per day for best results. All right, so that's the exact process I use to create viral AI, inspirational videos, pick a topic, write a script with ChatGPT, generate the video with InVideo AI, add a voiceover with 11 Labs. And then you will edit it all in CapCut. Start creating today and see what happens. But if you want to learn how to start selling digital products online and build passive income, you need to watch this video next. That video shows you step by step how to create and sell digital products on Etsy and start making money online. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.